Hey there, welcome to SaaS Talk. Today we're diving into the world of CRM modules and how they can revolutionize your business operations. CRM software is a powerful tool for businesses of all sizes. But what exactly are the CRM modules? Let's dive in. CRM modules are essentially individual components or features within a CRM system that focus on specific aspects of customer relationship management. These modules are designed to streamline processes, enhance customer interactions, and boost overall efficiency. Now, let's explore some of the key CRM modules and their functionalities. Number 1. Sales module. The sales module is tailored to optimize the sales pipeline. It includes features such as lead management, opportunity tracking, and sales forecasting. With the sales module, your sales team can effectively track leads, manage interactions, and forecast revenue, leading to more informed decisions making and higher conversion rates. Number 2. Marketing module. The marketing module focuses on driving customer engagement and lead generation. It includes tools for email marketing, campaign management, and customer segmentations. By utilizing the marketing model, businesses can create targeted campaigns, nurture leads, and analyze marketing performance to refine strategies and maximize ROI. Number 3. Customer service module. The customer service module is dedicated to delivering exceptional customer support. It offers features such as ticket management, knowledge-based integrations, and service level tracking. With the customer service module, businesses can efficiently handle customer inquiries, resolve issues promptly, and maintain high levels of customer satisfaction, ultimately fostering loyalty and retention. Number 4. Workflows module. This module is all about automating repetitive tasks and streamlining processes. It enables businesses to create custom workflows for various operations, such as lead nurturing, sales follow-ups, and customer onboarding. By leveraging the workflows modules, organizations can boost productivity, reduce manual errors, and ensure consistency across operations, ultimately saving the time and resources while enhancing efficiency. Number 5. Apps Marketplace module. This module provides access to a vast ecosystem of third-party integrations and add-ons that extend the functionality of your CRM systems. From marketing automation tools to accounting software, the Apps Marketplace offers endless possibilities for customizations and scalability. With the Apps Marketplace model, businesses can tailor their CRM solutions to meet specific needs and seamlessly integrate with other essential tools, empowering teams to work more efficiently and collaboratively. Number 6. Reports module. The Reports modules offers powerful analytics and insights into key performance metrics, allowing businesses to track progress, measure success, and identify areas for improvement. From sales forecasts to customer engagement metrics, customizable reports provide valuable data-driven insights for informed decision-making. With the report module, organizations can gain a deeper understanding of their operations, identify trends and patterns, and make data-driven decisions to drive growth and profitability. Number 7. Content Repository Module. The Content Repository Module serves as a centralized hub for storing and organizing multimedia content, such as documents, presentations, and marketing collateral. With robust search and categorization capabilities, teams can easily access and share relevant content across departments, enhancing collaborations and knowledge sharing. By leveraging the Content Repository Model, business can improve content management workflows, ensure version control, and maintain brand consistency, ultimately enhancing productivity and streamlining content-related processes. With these additional CRM modules at your disposal, you can take your business operations to new heights, driving efficiency, productivity, and customer satisfaction. Now that we have explored some of the essential CRM modules, let's discuss how you can choose the right ones for your business. Firstly, identify your specific business needs and objectives. Then prioritize CRM modules that align with these goals to ensure optimal functionality and efficiency. Additionally, consider factors such as scalability, integrations capabilities, and user-friendliness when selecting CRM modules to future-proof your CRM systems and facilitates seamless operation as your business grows. That concludes our exploration of CRM modules and their significance in modern business operations. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on optimizing business process and enhancing customer experiences. Until next time,